Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Here I am your teacher with the fifth lecture of the chapter Creating Charts in Excel 2013. In today's lecture, we also do practical number 3 and practical number 4. So let's start. The science teacher has asked the students of class 7 to create a combo chart for the data given. Help them create the chart in a new sheet named combo chart. Add a chart title, axis titles and a legend to the chart. Apply text fill and shape fill features to the chart. You have to create a combo chart and at the same time add a chart title, axis titles and legend and text fill and shape fill features too. So let's start. You can see in this sheet a table is given, names of months is given, temperature in Fahrenheit and precipitation in inches is also given. So first of all, let's select the table, click insert tab, recommended charts, all charts, click on the combo. You can see written, choose the chart type and access for your data series. Temperature in Fahrenheit, for it we have clustered column and for precipitation we have line. Click on the secondary axis. Okay, now you can see a chart has been inserted on a sheet. We have to add chart title and axis titles too. So let's start. Click on the first button. You can see chart elements. Click on axis titles. Now you have seen that axis titles option is given. So let's start. Click on chart title. It becomes easier for you to write the title in formula bar. What is it? Temperature and precipitation comparison. You can see chart title has been inserted. Now click on axis title. Again in formula bar it will become easier for you. Temperature temperature in Fahrenheit. Now you can see it has also been inserted in the sheet. Now click on the secondary value axis. Write its name. Precipitation in inches. You can see its title has also been inserted. Now axis title. It is your horizontal axis. It is months. Now you can see axis titles and chart title has been inserted in your chart. Now in the third option they have told us to add a shape fill and text fill too. For shape fill, click on your chart. You can see in format tab there is an option of shape fill. Click on it. You can fill your shape with any color of your own choice. Okay, I think this is the best one. And now text fill. How is it possible? Click on the chart title. It is your option of text fill. Let's color it red. Click on it. Again, this title axis. Color it red. And for it, Now you can see a text fill is also given to the text and titles. Now let's move ahead. In practical number 4, you can see the computer science teacher has asked Maham to create column sparklines for the data given in the worksheet. Help her to create the chart and also change the color to one of her choice. So let's do. In this sheet, you can see sales in lakhs is given for the names of these are some certain employees. Quarter 1, quarter 2, quarter 3, quarter 4, and you have to create sparklines. For creating sparklines, you do not select the headings. Let's select the values. Click on Insert tab. You can see option of sparklines. You can choose any sparkline of your own choice. Let's select column. Now give it a range. You can see you have to create sparklines in your column number F. So what will be the range? Dollar F dollar 3 colon dollar F dollar 9. You can see from 3 till 9. Let's click OK. You can see your sparklines has been inserted in your table, and now you can change the color of your choice. In sparkline tools, you can see sparkline color. You can change the color of your own choice. It's up to you. Let's change it into red. Now you can see your sparklines color has been changed. I hope you understand this practical too. Do practice it by yourself. Take care. Stay blessed.